Hi, today we will be explaining on the third microcontroller laboratory, which is analyzing AM modulator. Here, we will display and explain the variation of amplitude modulation by changing the amplitude and frequency of the audio and carrier signal. Firstly, when these values are set, the modulation index, m, is equal to 1 when we divide the audio amplitude by the carrier amplitude. Thus, the modulated signal will achieve perfect modulation, and this shows a fully modulated AM signal. Next, when the audio amplitude is changed to 600 mV, the modulation index will be equal to 2, and therefore, over-modulated signals will be produced. When we change the audio frequency to 2 kHz, which is double the previous value, now it can be seen that the frequency of the modulated signal is also doubled. Next, we change the carrier amplitude to 600 mV, and now the modulation index is 0.5. As m is less than 1, the modulated signal will be partially modulated as shown. Lastly, when we change the carrier frequency to a smaller value, it can be seen that the modulated signal envelope still remains the same while only the frequency of carrier changes. For experiment 2, we will be analyzing the waveform and frequency spectrum from modulators. Firstly, the double sideband suppressed carrier modulator will be analyzed. This shows the modulated waveform, and from the frequency spectrum, it can be seen that only the two sidebands are present while the carrier signal is suppressed. Next, for the single sideband modulator, this shows the modulated waveform, and from the frequency spectrum, it can be seen that only one of the frequency components are present as the other is eliminated. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.